I was just sent this 8-inch chef's knife. It came packaged really beautifully, so it would make a really nice gift. And when we open this thing up, let's check out the beautiful packaging that it comes in, first of all. So we're gonna take this out. Ooh, look at that hammered edging there. That is so pretty. And man, it's got some weight to it. I wasn't expecting that much weight on here. This is nice. I mean, it's nicely weighted to be able to hold in your hand. I love how they've got the little edging on here to make sure it's nice and safe. You've got a really nice handle on here all the way through, so you're not gonna be slipping all around on here. It's got like that wooden look, but that is a nice seal. Look at how thick that is. I'm just really impressed with how thick and beautiful this blade is. But that's not the big thing to look at here. Big thing is how well does it cut. So we got a couple of different things from just an easy piece of bread. I mean, obviously super simple. Got some more bread, cut through it, but let's get a little thicker here with this apple just to kind of, show you how well it cuts down. I mean, very little force on that. That is amazing. I love when knives make me work so much less and they're comfortable to hold. That is a really nice, important thing whenever you're doing a lot of cooking, is having a knife that has enough blade, which this one has 8 inches. You've got 5 inches here, so that way you can easily hold your hand on there, make all the slices you need to make consistently. With a chef's knife, it kind of rocks, so you can do any sort of chopping you need to do. Then this is a nice hand-hammered knife that can be used in any kitchen or restaurant.